Welcome to 110, Section 201, online version of Introduction to Information Science and Technology, Spring 2016. Hi class, in this slides, we'll go over the syllabus together as an introduction to the course. I'm Kyung Choi who teach this online course, and the voice you're listening is Tracy's, automatic voice from slidetalk.net. You can reach to me by mostly email. If you want face-to-face meeting, just email me to set a time. My schedule is pretty flexible, and for most of morning time, I'll be in my office. But, still I prefer to set a time for a meeting in advance. Over the course, our goal is to understand basic issues in information sciences and information studies. As this course is introductory course, we will cover various issues related to information science, and I hope you have a general picture of what information science is through this course and find your own interest from what we learned. There are many levels of class and choice, covering each issue in depth. So, this course will serve as a starting point of getting to know about information science. We'll start with these questions. What is the information society? What makes our society the information society? Amount of information? Technological advances? Processing ability. Humans' behavior and information use. We'll talk about what information society makes distinct in our first session. We use the word information very frequently. Then how do you define information? Is it a piece of paper? A text? Voices? Or a message? In this course, we'll discuss about how we define information and identify the discipline of information science, different from similar disciplines such as computer science or communication. Also, what kinds of professions are in our discipline. ADIK is abbreviation of the augmented data, information, and knowledge. As an information scientist, we do not use this term that often, but this concept of this augmenting system will be great for us to understand the characteristics and roles of information system. While we discussing about this ADIK, we may use many examples of information systems. I hope your various backgrounds and working experiences contribute to our discussion of ADIK. In later our course, we'll talk about social issues in information society and technology. How information technology influence on our society. In what ways we can improve the problems the information technology and use of information technology cause. In this part, we may get into a lot of real-life stories, because social issues in IT apply to all of us who use any kind of information technology daily. The last lecture will talk about the future of information in terms of technology, products, society changes, etc. We are going to read Devens, Anthony. 2008. Information Science 101 single quote as a main textbook. So, you need to get this book through Amazon or a bookstore. It would not be difficult to find. I'll only upload the first chapter of the textbook just in case of late delivery from your bookseller. And a few chapter of L and K, J. Lester and W. Kohler. 2007. Fundamentals of Information Studies, Understanding Information and Its Environment, 2nd edition, are included as our readings. This additional readings including L and K, book and some other sources we need to read will be accessible via D2L. This course consists of 4 elements: class contents and lectures, online discussions, exams, and final project. Online discussions, exams, and final project are graded, and those are also fully based on class contents and lectures. Lectures will focus on the assigned reading, highlighting particular items and connecting content in the readings to other real-world examples. Online students are expected to watch each lecture slides, having already read the course content. Watching just the lecture will not get you through the course. Do the readings first. In general, I'd expect students to upload an initial post within 4 days of the lecture session and to reply at least one of other participants' posts in your discussion group. Replying has no time restriction. You can post anytime you want to comment to others when either you agree or disagree. If you make well-informed and relevant contributions on a consistent basis, then you should score very well. Simply posting a response of I agree is not sufficient. However, do not feel you need to hog the discussion. Online discussion benefits from quality over quantity. The course includes 2 exams. The exams will consist of short answer and/or brief essay questions, and will be taken online via the D2L quiz feature, will have a fixed time limit, and must be completed by 11:59 p.m. on the date assigned. These test dates are fixed, and no exceptions or extensions will be granted, except as allowed in the campus policy on special consideration. Students needing special accommodations must visit the Student Accessibility Center for evaluation and provide the instructor the necessary paperwork at least 1 week in advance of the test date. Individuals will work on a project exploring a contemporary information system in terms of the main themes of the course. First, students need to select one of contemporary information systems, which will be provided later in the semester. Upon choice of a system, students will write up a project report. Then, presentations will be based on the project reports. Each individual will create a 10-12-minute recorded presentation, and the project videos will be posted on D2L for all students to watch. At last, students need to watch our project videos posted on D2L, and review the contents by writing up a short review paper. In the paper, student will review their own and one of other students' presentations. Instruction for review will be provided later in the semester. We looked at main points of syllabus together, covering what we would learn, and what we need to fully engage in this course. I still strongly encourage you to read fully a syllabus uploaded on D2L. For next lecture on Wednesday, you are going to watch YouTube videos linked on D2L and read a Wikipedia page. No intensive reading this time. Usually the lecture slide will be up right before the day of lecture, mon/wed, but class materials will be up ahead of time. I'll update news items/email you all, once the lecture slides for 1.2 session is up. Thank you for taking online 110 course and hope you enjoy this course. Inkyung.